Welcome back, Naija Tribe. It's Naija Barbie. We're back today with another recipe, and I'm so excited to have my friend Teresa Neal in the kitchen today. We're going to do some awesome recipes. Teresa, tell them about your channel.
My channel is Vegan with Soul, taking soul food and making it vegan, and I'm so excited to be here with Naija Barbie today in her kitchen.
We have two amazing dishes we're going to cook for you today, so let's get started. So today we're making curry roasted vegetables with quinoa.
And I'm going to make a Jackfruit Reuben. I never had it before, so we're going to taste this together.
It's both our first time.
Yep, let's get cooking.
For the vegetable curry dish today, the star ingredient is quinoa. It is one of the most nutritious and healthiest foods on the planet. It is rich in fiber, minerals, antioxidants, and it's a complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids. It's also low on the glycemic index and may improve your blood sugar and cholesterol levels and even aid in weight loss. More is naturally gluten-free, delicious, versatile, and incredibly easy to prepare. Here are the remaining ingredients to create the curry vegetables and quinoa dish. This will also be linked below in the description box. Let's start cooking our quinoa. The first thing to do is to rinse the quinoa. Now you can buy the pre-washed in the store, but it's a little bit more expensive. Rinsing the quinoa removes the bitter taste that's on the outside of the seed. So once rinsed, add it to our pot and toast it. We'll add about 2 teaspoons of oil, a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of cumin, and a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Toast for about 1 minute or until fragrant. The next step is to add in our 3 cups of vegetable stock, mix it around, and wait for it to come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we want to reduce the heat to low and cover it with the lid and let it simmer for 15 minutes. A little bit of olive oil on the vegetables and lay it on our sheet tray and roast them in the oven. So I'll just put some pepper. I'm going to come in here with some salt now. This is Himalayan pink salt. I'm just giving it a nice little gentle toss so it's kind of evenly coated. I'm going to arrange them on the sheet pan. Get it with some curry powder. Now that we've salt and peppered our veggies, we're going to add curry powder to taste on our vegetables. Now place the vegetables in a preheated 450-degree Fahrenheit oven for 15 minutes. Okay, so to up the protein, I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds and a 1/4 cup of hemp seeds. Because I have a nut allergy, you can put almonds or cashews in here for that added crunch or extra protein boost, but since I'm allergic, I'm using seeds.
Okay.
I'm also going to add in a mix of basil, mint, and parsley, just some freshness, some aromatics. And then I'm going to put in a 1/4 cup of golden raisins.
I love golden raisins.
And a 1/4 cup of diced apricot. So it's kind of like a North African, Middle Eastern flavor vibe when we add the dried fruit and the mint.
Awesome.
We do this while the couscous is, excuse me, Lord. We do this while the quinoa is still warm. Once we add the extra ingredients to the quinoa, we stir to combine well and then layer in the bottom of a casserole dish.
Beautiful! Oh my gosh!
Now that the veggies are ready, go ahead and assemble it in our casserole dish on top of the quinoa. So first start the layer of onions, then the carrots, and then we nestle the cauliflower around for a nice presentation. Okay guys, that's it. That's our dish. Roasted curried vegetables with quinoa. Hope you guys enjoy it and give it a try. On to our next dish, a Jackfruit Reuben sandwich.
Okay, Naija Tribe and Vegan with Soul family. Here I have 1 can of jackfruit. And make sure you get it that's in water, because if you get it in the brine, it's a little bitter. So please make sure you read the label before you pick up your jackfruit. Here I used 1 can of beets, organic of course, and I drained it and kept the liquid off the beets. And of course, you can use your beets for something else. And so here you're going to see all the seasoning that I used to season this jackfruit with. Don't worry, I will leave the ingredients in the description box below. Okay, that's good. And we're gonna let this sit in the refrigerator overnight.
Once your jackfruit is marinated, place it in a skillet on medium heat until browned.
We're gonna make the $1,000 dressing to go on the Reuben. So let's make this real quick. You have the mayonnaise. I'm gonna let you go ahead and dump your stuff in, and then I'm gonna add in a little bit of ketchup. I'm gonna add in maybe 2 tablespoons of the relish, pickle relish. And let me do this. Looks like a lot, don't it? Awesome. Look at that. Does that not look like, girl? And I have, my husband like black salt. I don't know why, y'all.
No, not at all.
That's delicious.
It's delicious, awesome.
I don't think we need. She said I am not. Just a little bit of weird stuff.
Zing to it.
A little zing, baby.
Okay.
Damon, why she won't eat this?
She doesn't, she's everything dry.
Oh, you a dry baby.
Everything dry.
Everything.
Hamburger, hot dog, nothing with nothing on it. Salad, just put a half a teaspoon of oil on it, and that's it.
I don't put on.
Let me put half a teaspoon of whatever.
Eat it raw. It's better for you.
Guys, I didn't know Naija Barbie likes to eat her food plain when it comes to certain things.
Raw. Flavorful, but raw.
That's delicious. Would you like to come and taste?
Yes.
There you go. Just put your finger on there. Tell me what you think, Damon. Is it tasty?
That's good.
Awesome. There's $1,000 dressing. It's going to be good.
Now that our jackfruit is browned and crispy, we're going to add it to our dish. The last step before we assemble our sandwich is to pan fry the rye bread with a little bit of vegan butter. Okay guys, we are in the money. Time to build this awesome sandwich. We laid down our vegan cheese first. We used vegan Parmesan because we could not find the vegan Swiss. We added mustard, our jackfruit, our homemade $1,000 dressing, and some sauerkraut. Thanks guys so much for joining us today. It was so much fun collaborating with my friend here, Teresa Neal from Vegan with Soul.
I had a wonderful time today. I really did. We had so much fun behind the scenes. Couldn't capture everything, but we had a ball.
Yes. My kitchen's not very conducive to showing us cooking together, so we made it work and we did as much as we could together.
Yes,
so
we
hope you
did.
guys can still get the gist.
Yes. Yes.
So thanks for joining us. Be sure if you haven't done so to subscribe to my channel, hit the red button below. And also subscribe to Teresa's channel, Vegan with Soul.
Thank you,
I'll have it
guys.
linked below in the description box. And if you like this and you want more content like this and more
Yes.
collaborations, be sure to give us a thumbs up. See you next time. We're going to go eat now.